There are a lot of tricks and hacks that we can use to make our work a lot easier in Microsoft Office programs. MBA students at KFE Business School have been learning such tricks and tactics under the iEvolve series pillar, which has helped them excel in their education as well as professional life. In this video, we'll learn how to fill all the selected cells with the same data or formula. When we are entering data or a formula in a cell and have an entire column or a row selected, this method will help to copy the data or formula to the selected columns or rows. In this video, I will use Ctrl plus Enter to fill all the cells in the selected column with the desired formula. This saves time from having to copy paste or fill down and across. Here are the steps to perform the Ctrl plus Enter shortcut on a selected column. First, select the column. Then, type the data or a formula in the active cell. Then hold down the Control key and press the Enter key. The formula is copied to all the cells in the selected column. Thank you for watching this video.